Hello, good morning, children. This is the rest continued part of the chapter 3, The Little Girl. I am going to detail paragraph 5, 6, and 7 in this video. So let's begin, children. You might be recalling that in the previous paragraph 4, Kezia's grandmother suggested her to make a pin cushion to gift to her father so that her father will be happy with her. So let's see what happened now. Para 5, you can see laboriously with a double. What do you mean by laboriously? Laboriously meaning with much time and effort. With a double cotton. Double cotton means with 2 layers of cotton. Double cotton means with 2 layers. One layer to a second layer of cotton. So Kezia put in a lot of effort to make the birthday gift. She used double cotton and stitched 3 sides of the cushion. Now next line, but what to fill inside the cushion? Because from 3 sides she had already stitched it and the fourth side was left so that she can fill inside some scraps. Now Kezia had prepared the bag. The bag shape of the cushion. She had to stitch the fourth side, and before that she had to fill the cushion with something, and she did not know what to fill the cushion with because she has to stitch the fourth side also, but without filling in the cushion how can she stitch it? So now what all the things she has to put in that? See the next line, the grandmother was out. See children, the grandmother was out. So Kezia was confused that what should she use to fill the cushion with. As her grandmother was also out in the garden and she was just looking for something, she reached her mother's bedroom. She started looking for something that could be filled in the cushion. So she reached her mother's bedroom. She was looking for bits of paper or cloth to stuff into the cushion. Stuff means to fill in the cushion. Come to the next line, children, on the bed table. What do you mean by bed table, children? Bed table means table beside the bed. We say bed table, table beside the bed. Now Kezia is a small little girl. She is very young. Now what she do on the bed table? She found a heap of sheet of paper. So what did Kezia find? She found a heap. Heap means pile in plenty, more. There were so many sheets of paper, heap of sheets of paper. So she just collected all the sheets, then tore them into small pieces and stuffed means filled those small pieces of paper into the cushion. And then she stitched the fourth side of the cushion. So children, these sheets of paper were all scraps. Scraps means small pieces of cloth or paper that are not needed. So Kezia saw all those scraps, all those small pieces of cloth or paper that were not needed at all. She felt that it was useless. So she collected all those papers and she stuffed those scraps into the cushion. And now she stitched the fourth side of cushion and had prepared a birthday gift for her father. So many of you can relate to Kezia's act. How happy Kezia was. She felt that her father might be extremely happy when she will gift this birthday gift to her father. Many children do such things unknowingly, isn't it, children? Many children prepare so many gifts so that they can present, so that they can give to their parents either on their anniversary day or even on their birthdays. Sometimes it happens you don't know whether that sheets of paper are useless or it might be useful, but unknowingly you do that without knowing. They do not intend to create any mischief or harm anyone, but they end up doing it. Now, Kezia has torn some important papers. Now, children, the same situation happened with Kezia too. Grandmother was out, mother was also not there, and she was also looking for some scrapes. And what did she got? She got the sheets of paper, but she was not knowing that all those sheets of paper were valuable. They were some important papers of his father. Unknowingly, she was not knowing at all. She did all that unknowingly. That her intention was not to create any mischief or to harm anybody. She did it unknowingly. Now come to the next line. That night there, you can see, now there was loads of shouting in the house. You can see hue and cry. What do you mean by hue and cry, children? Hue and cry means it is angry protest. So there was angry protest. There was lot of shouting, angry protest in the house because Kezia's father had prepared a speech for the port authority. What do you mean by port authority, children? Port authority meaning the officers of the port. So father has actually prepared a speech for a particular meeting. That port authority was the officers of the port for a particular meeting, and he was unable to find it. So father was also looking for that important papers. Now we all know where the speech has gone. So father's important speech for his particular meeting has been torn into pieces and filled inside the cushion. So we all know where that speech has gone now. It has been torn into tiny pieces and Kezia has filled it into the cushion. She has stuffed it. Coming to the next line, rooms were searched. Now the family searched everywhere. They asked the servants, but no one knew where the sheets of paper had gone. And finally, the mother reached the Kezia's room. Now, after searching everywhere, mother came to Kezia's room. Let's see the next line, Kezia, I suppose. Now, here we get to see that Kezia is an innocent girl. She did not intend the harm anyone. She was just preparing her birthday gift. And so, very truly, she tells her brother that she found some pieces of paper and she needed them to stuff into the cushion. So she torn them and prepared her superior, surprising gift for her father. That is a birthday gift that she had prepared for her father. Unknowingly, Kezia had done a great disaster. She has not done willingly. She has not done willingly. Next line, what? You can see. Now Kezia's mother is so furious when she comes to know that Kezia has torn the speech that her father is looking for. And so she orders Kezia to come down into the dining room at that very moment. So Kezia was ordered by her parents to come down into the dining room at that very moment itself. Now coming to the paragraph C6, and she was dragged means pulled hardly. Now Kezia's father is full of tension because his important document has been lost. Kezia has torn it into pieces. Now Kezia will be scolded for the mischief that she has done. Next line you see, well, the damned thing. Now, why is Kezia's father referring to the cushion that she has prepared as a damned thing? What do you mean by damned thing, children? Damned thing is used to express anger at something. Damned thing used to express what? Anger at something. So Kezia's father is also referring to the cushion, that prepared gift, that cushion that has prepared as a damned thing, because he is angry at the cushion, because Kezia has torn his important document to prepare it. Now he is very angry with Kezia and he stared at her. He looked angrily at her and asked her if she had torn the papers. Kezia was so scared. She feared that she was again stammering. She was stuttering. She was speaking with halts. And then Kezia's father ordered mother to go and bring that cushion downstairs and asked her to put Kezia to bed at that very moment. Coming to the paragraph 7, children, crying too much. You can see the line. Now, shadowed room. You can see paragraph 7, shadowed room. What do you mean by shadowed room, children, here? Shadowed rooms means that as it was dark, there was a light outside the room which was making shadows in the room. So when there is light outside, the shadow of the light reaches to the house. That's why it is given shadowed room. Next it is given a sad little pattern. What do you mean by a sad little pattern, children? It refers to the sad atmosphere in the room. Since it was shadowed room, darkness with shadows, so there was complete sad atmosphere in the room because Kezia has been scolded by her father. Kezia wanted to justify her action. As she was innocent, she did not mean to harm her father. She was just preparing a surprise birthday gift for him. Kezia was very sad. So all Kezia's efforts have been gone in vain. She had been happy that she had prepared a surprise for her father and he would like it. But on the other hand, she had accidentally committed a disaster. So Kezia was so happy that her father would be happy to see the birthday gift prepared by her, but on the other hand, she had accidentally committed a disaster. Now he is about to punish Kezia for the wrong act she has done. So according to father, Kezia has done a wrong act and she has to be punished. Come to the next line. Bedclothes. You can see here. Bedclothes. You cover yourself when you are sleeping. Bedclothes means what? The top sheets that you cover yourself when you are sleeping. That is bedclothes. Now Kezia's father told her that he would beat her with the ruler, with the scale. Kezia was so scared. She was afraid that she tried to hide under the sheets. Now here we come to know that why Kezia's father was being strict with her. Why was he punishing her? Because he wanted Kezia to know this thing once for all, that she should not touch that thing that doesn't belong to her father. So it doesn't belong to Kezia. So Kezia's father wanted that Kezia must not touch any of the belongings, any of the things that does not belong to her. Father was angry. He wanted to teach her this thing so that It benefited in her future life too. Right now, she was a small child. She did not know what was important and what was not important. That is why, unknowingly, she has torn the important document of her father. And so, he was punishing her. He did not want to harm Kezia, but he wanted that Kezia should know that in future she should not touch anything that does not belong to her. But it was, next line come to, but it was, Kezia tried to explain her position. She said that she had been preparing a birthday gift for her father and had to fill it with something. She just tore the pages to stuff them into the cushion. She was trying to explain to him that she was just preparing a birthday gift for him. She wanted to give him a surprise. She did not want to tear his important documents, but Kezia's father did not listen to her excuses. Kezia's father hit the palms of her hand with a ruler. So Kezia's all surprising plan was shattered now. So that's all, children, up to paragraph 7. Next paragraphs will be continued in the next video. Till then, children, bye to you all. Thank you.